Welcome back, Etsy sellers. Today we are going to go over one surefire way to get more sales in your Etsy shop this year. This one life hack can not only increase your average customer order value, but it will also increase the amount of views that you're receiving to your listing, the amount of favorites you're getting, and your conversion rate. We're going to go over exactly how to do all of that with this one little life hack that you can apply to your shop literally tomorrow. Guys, ready? Let's dive in. So the little life hack that we're going to use today is by creating group listings. So especially as we get into the summer seasons and we start entering into going back to school, and then we're entering into Q4 holiday season time, group shirts, group gifts, and group listings always have the ability to make more sales for your shop in a very quick turnaround period. You guys have to remember, when you are looking at the total sales that someone has on Etsy next to their shop name, that is the total pieces of whatever they are selling that was sold in their shop. So even if someone came to the shop and bought 10 items, even if that's one buyer and one order, Etsy is still representing that as 10 sales. So we have to assume that as the sales numbers increase for a particular listing and for a shop, the ability for that shop and that listing to also be found by new prospective buyers is a lot higher than if there were just one particular item or one particular person on that listing. So today I wanted to show you guys a couple of different unique approaches that you can take to group items that you might be able to add into your shop this year. Anytime on Etsy, you can go ahead and type group into the search bar. And if you have the EverBee extension like I do, you'll see group gifts is being currently looked up 1,300 times a month, and then group shirts 2,400 times a month. So the first thing that we are going to go over today that is a unique approach to group listings is actually a B2B sale. B2B stands for business to business. B2C stands for business to consumer or customer. In this particular case, we are going to look at ways that your business can help other businesses. So one example that I really loved was this person was creating 15 ounce, 20 ounce, and 40 ounce coffee mugs, tumblers, etc. that had a logo of a business on them. So this is a personalizable option that creates a custom gift for maybe the employees in their business. Maybe it's a real estate brokerage and they gave them to all of their agents. This is one way that you can easily get way more than just one particular tumbler sold, strictly for the purpose of presenting the option to a group of people. Staying in the business to business sales space, I also found this option that says best team ever, and it is a t-shirt, but the good news about something like this design is you can actually apply this design to so many different other items. Let's say a mug, a desk calendar, a mouse pad, and as you can see here, team name or job title is on the left-hand side. This is more than likely going to be purchased by multiple people, or it's going to be purchased by one person and given out to multiple people. Another one that I was seeing is the exact same concept. However, it is the front and back of a business-centric shirt. So the good news about the front and back of a shirt like this is those usually are accepted as more expensive because there are more imprint areas. And as you can see, what's really cool here that this seller did is, of course, they showed the mock-up of the front and back design, but they also showed what it would look like in a group setting, and even better, a group business setting, because that's exactly who they are trying to attract. Moving back to the business to consumer type of sales, I'm actually looking at Ornament. Now, this particular option obviously is very holiday centric. It's very Christmas oriented, but the good news about something like this is you can simply just adjust the design to fit any type of holiday, or just be something that friends can gift to other friends. Let's say Brittany on the left-hand side orders this item and she wants it for Halloween. And let's say there's skulls and witches and pumpkins. Brittany would purchase a quantity of 7, and we're currently at a 50% off discount for this particular item, but the item is going for $14. So not only is your store going to record that you had 7 sales, but you're also going to make almost $100 from this one order alone, compared to creating an ornament that says the Gallant family. One person is going to buy that. They are only going to buy one ornament. However, doing something like this that allows Brittany to purchase 6 items for her friends as well as 1 item for herself changes the price of the ornament from $14 to now a sale of 7, bringing us to almost $100 for one order. This next one is really fun and can be done a multitude of different unique ways. So this one is, in this case, Donald's birthday. So it is a screenshot of a person's head and then the person's name and birthday. It's a very easy, simplistic design, but again, from the first and second mock-up photo, this seller is telling us that this is not supposed to necessarily be a one-time purchase. This is supposed to be something that you and all of your friends can wear while you are celebrating Donald's birthday. Birthday matching shirt. Birthday party group shirt. That is actively telling me that this is something that I should purchase for multiple of my friends to come celebrate my birthday. Another way that you can do this is something like a bachelor or bachelorette party. You could also do this maybe at a bridal shower. There's plenty of different ways that you can take this exact same concept and apply it to the niche that you have in your shop. Last but not least is going to be in the sports niche. And again, the good thing about a design like this is it can be applied to multiple different types of items. Think duffel bag, drawstring bag, gym towels, water bottles. So in this particular case, we are looking at Pickleball Club in a particular location, Naples, Florida. It was established in 2022, and then the team name on the top. You actually have the ability to make it a scalable design so that you can do multiple different types of sports, especially if they are rec or club sports, and then you can simply put what their team name is. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our YouTube channel where we post videos just like this, helping Etsy and e-commerce sellers every Tuesday. If you guys have any questions about how to do a group listing, go ahead and drop them in the comments and we will make sure to respond with a tutorial of exactly how. With that said, guys, we have nothing left to cover and we'll see you in the next video.